This TikTok channel is probably making thousands of dollars a month with the TikTok creativity program. They have thousands and millions of views for these videos. This is the crazy thing about the health niche. There is no specific audience for this niche, and this knowledge is valuable for everyone. That's why this health niche is one of the best niches for TikTok. The only issue is that creating content for this niche is not simple. That's why I decided to create this video. In this video, I will show you how to create content like this for your TikTok channel. This is the 4th video of the TikTok video series. So, if you haven't watched those videos, go and watch them. But there is one problem. Not every country is allowed to join TikTok creativity program. If you are not from the following countries, US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, and Korea, you are not allowed to join this. But I found a way to create a USA TikTok account without any issues. Watch this video till the end. It doesn't matter where you are from. Follow these exact steps, and you will be able to make a lot of money with TikTok. First, let me show you how to get a USA TikTok account. There are 2 methods. The first one is that you can buy a USA SIM card from Amazon or eBay, and then change your location on your mobile to USA. Then use a VPN to log into TikTok. This method has worked for a lot of people, but sometimes it doesn't work. The second method is you can buy a USA TikTok account for a few bucks from this website. The website's name is usTikTokaccounts.com. You can buy any number of US TikTok accounts from this website. They will deliver your account within 24 hours. Make sure to follow their guidelines exactly as they say. With that said, let me show you an example video I created using this method.
Discover the incredible benefits of ginger shots, a powerful elixir packed with goodness from the roots of the flowering ginger plant. Ginger, a flowering root plant, offers more than just a kick of flavor. When you indulge in a ginger shot, you're treating your body to a concentrated dose of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium.
So let's start the process. Let me show you how to do the most important thing, which is creating a video script. Follow this exact process I'm about to show you. For this example, I will make a video about the advantages of ginger and lemon shots. Best way to find video ideas is go to Google and find good articles related to your topic and get information from them. But don't use exactly the same thing as other videos and articles. It will be a copyright violation. So, I found this article, and let me show you how to convert it to a video script. There are 2 ways to convert this. The first method is to read the article and convert it to your own words and create a unique script, and the second method is to ask ChatGPT to create a unique script. So I will use this second method. Let's go to ChatGPT, then copy the article you selected, ask ChatGPT to convert it to unique script, and paste the article. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you an amazing video script. So, just like this, you can create your video script. So, if you don't have video ideas, use TikTok to find them. Now we need to create a voiceover to this script. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters if you are planning to use this AI for the long term. Sign up using the link in the description. You can purchase the monthly plan for $1. I use this AI voice generator for more than 7 YouTube channels, so check the link in the description. After that, you can select a suitable voice from these settings, and then copy the script that we generated part by part, and create the voiceovers. Just like this, create the voiceovers to your whole script. Now we need to create a character and animate it. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Go to Leonardo AI and type this prompt. Change this prompt according to your requirements. Then generate the images. If you are not satisfied with the results, try again. I really like this one, I will use it for this video. Now we need to animate this character like talking avatar. For that, I will use Studio DID. First, you will have to sign up for this. They will give you 20 free credits. After you sign up, you will come to this page. Then select Create Video button. Now, here you can upload your character. Click this Add button and upload your character. After that, you can either type your script or upload the audio file of voiceovers here. I will add the audio file, and then click Generate Video. Within a few seconds, it will generate your talking avatar video, then you can just download it. Now, we need to find suitable video footage for our video. I will use Pexel.com for that. go to Pexels and search for your videos. This is a free stock videos and image website. You can use these without any copyright issues and download suitable videos. And let's generate some images with Leonardo AI. We can use these images in our video. Don't use just images, YouTube will not monetize your video. Just like this, create suitable images for your video and make sure to match these images with the scenario. Finally, we need background music. Pixabay.com is one of the best copyright-free music websites. We can download suitable background music from this. Now, we have all the materials to edit this video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit this video. It's a free video editing software. You can download it to your phone or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. Start a new project and select this Modify button from the side menu. You can change the project name and select the correct dimensions, which is 16:9 ratio from here. Okay, now import all the materials we created and downloaded for this video to here. First, drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline just like this. Then, bring the talking avatar that we created here. Now all you need to do is add suitable videos and images to match the script. Make sure to add these videos and mix them with the talking avatar. It will make your video more unique. After that, go to the transitions from the top menu and add suitable transitions between these clips and images. It will make your video more interesting. So spend some time editing this part because you need to make sure that your edit is top-notch. After you edit all these parts, we can add captions. CapCut has a feature where you can generate automatic captions. Just go to Text from the top menu, select the Auto Captions option, then select the language and press Generate. Within a few seconds, it will generate the captions. Now, as you can see, these captions are very small. From this side menu, we can edit their size and color and add new fonts. Also, I will add this text effect because I think it will be suitable for this video. After editing these, we can also add some text animations. Select the suitable animation and make sure to select all text layers so that you can easily add these effects to all the text at once. And finally, you can add the background music like this. Make sure to lower its volume and match it with a voiceover. After that, our video is completed, we can export it. Just like this, you can create videos for this niche. I know that this process takes time and it's not that simple, but try to upload at least 2 videos per day. One of the problems that new creators are having is not getting enough views for their first videos. Don't worry, that's normal. Your first video is not going to be a viral video. Just keep uploading, do some research in your niche and create videos that no one has done before. That's how you will go viral. Don't give up, just keep creating quality content until you go viral. All you need is one good video to go viral. With that said, I will end this video. I hope you learned some valuable thing from this video. I will see you in the next one.
As the manager of this channel, I am genuinely thrilled to see that you've watched our video until the very end. Your support means the world to us, and we're incredibly grateful for your time and engagement. Thank you so much.